If you are considering IFS therapy, you will inevitably be faced with the question of where to find and how to choose an IFS therapist or practitioner that will support you best. The IFS Institute and international IFS organizations keep a register of IFS-trained practitioners and therapists, grouped by education level. You might choose a few professionals from the list, contact them, and ask what kind of educational background they have. You may want to know if they use regular supervision, if they themselves are in the process of IFS therapy, and if they use pure IFS or combine it with other methods. You may want to have a few introductory meetings to see how you and your parts feel in the presence of a particular professional. Ultimately, it's important to feel supported and safe enough to dive inside. The role of the therapist is to lend their self-energy and help you unblend when one of your parts is strongly activated and overwhelming. The therapist is there to help you welcome all the parts and give you hope along the way, so you can unburden your parts. This way you allow them to choose their preferred strategy to support your system under the leadership of self. The supportive traits of a therapist are summarized as 5 P's: presence, patience, persistence, playfulness, and perspective. And there is 8 C's of self-energy: calm, clarity, compassion, connectedness, curiosity, courage, confidence, and creativity. Both 5 P's and 8 C's are important indicators of a good therapist. You will notice that self-energy is contagious. What's also important is transparency. The IFS therapist, practitioner, is a human being who also has parts that can become activated. Activation is not an issue, but it's important for the therapist to be able to recognize and voice it, and allow themselves to pause and come back to self-energy. It's always useful to look for accepting presence, curiosity, and a beginner's mind.